Usually in the city, I'm always either inside or in the subway, so it's a chance to get outside. It feels good to feel like I've accomplished something when it's so early in the day. I have to go to the ice cream shop at 7 a.m. and then I bake the brownies, like morning brownies, daytime work, night school. Making brownies, it's kind of a nice break from work. I would say that and running, those are like two activities where I can just do something and like an hour will go by, but I didn't really worry or think or stress about anything. I'm just kind of going through the motions. The first couple weeks, we were a little bit understaffed, and so I would help out in the front. You really see a lot of interesting people come into the shop. Around midnight on a Saturday, it's always like drunk people, and those are the best customers because they love everything and then they buy a lot. And they're always like yelling like, "I love this is so good." There's this lady that started coming in every day, and she would buy 2 brownies. She's like a really loyal brownie customer. Brownies, I just think, have this really great chewy texture. When it has like that crispy outside, it also adds to that.
I know Taiwan from many years ago. We used to work together. The one run we did together was a winter run in Brooklyn around Prospect Park, the Loop twice. And when we both woke up that morning at about 5, it was about 16 degrees, but it was so cold. It was so cold. But we did it. After that run, nothing is too cold anymore.
Going back to school is definitely a big change, only because I haven't been in school for so long. I realized that I wasn't really happy with my career. Even working on games and animation, I just realized that even though it's a lot of fun, it's not something that feels satisfying to me. Like, as long as you're living, there's always more to do, more to learn, more to experience. I think I'm happy as long as things are always moving forward and not just staying the same.
When you walk, it doesn't fall off from your hand?
Not really.
I could see why they call it chicken now.